We'll solve deep questions now. Okay, deep questions. Right. Is it on now? Write down the question. Yeah. Oh, Akka, listen here. Janani Akka. Yeah. Uh. Tell me what is an alternating voltage is there? E is equal to 200 root sine 100 into T, sun volt is connected to 1 microfarad. What is 1 microfarad? Farad is a unit of Mitrana. Capacitor. Farad is a unit of capacitor. Through an AC. Why this light is switched off? I want to see Nandu. I am unable to see him. Where are you? Okay. 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 Jokes apart, let's solve. Now this is a capacitor C, right? And the AC source is there. How much voltage you are supplying here? So E is equals to 200 root 2 into sine of what is it? Right? 100 T, right? Now we need to calculate what is it they are asking you to calculate. Please tell me. So here 1 microfarad. How much here? This is 1 microfarad they asked. So here what will be the reading in a ammeter? Reading of the ammeter. Okay. Reading of ammeter will calculate what is it here? Current. Reading will be what is it here? Current. Yes or no? So current is equal to what is it here? Current is equals to E means EMF. This is EMF. Yes or no? EMF divided by what is it here? R. But R is not there. But what will take it here? Reactance will take it. What will take it here? Reactance. So reactance means what is it here? XC. Clear? Now find out. So maximum current we will try to find out. E by C. Or else what can I write here? I naught into sine of omega t. Yes, sir. Chalo solve it. Can I compare this one now? E naught value will be equal to what is it? C naught. Root 2. Sun or a volt. Omega is equal to what is it here? 100. What is this 100? Rad per second. I naught is equal to, let's say, E naught divided by XL. XC, sorry. XC, reactance. XC is nothing but what is it here? 1 divided by C into omega. Right? Calculate now, fast. Give me the answer. No water, bring it. C is how much here? 1 microfarad. 10 power minus 6. Omega is how much here? 200. 200 into 100. Sorry, Shabri, it is 100. Shabri, legend. So XC value is how much? 10 power 4 ohms. So I value will be how much now? 200 into root 2 divided by 10 power 4. So it will be, what is the answer? What is the answer? So this is, if I cancel 2 times, I can cancel. So 2 into root 2 into 10 power minus. From this one I can write instantaneous also. Instantaneous current also I can write. Current also I can write. What is instantaneous current? I into I naught times of a sin omega t. Yes or no? I naught already you found it as 2 into root 2 into 10 power minus 2 and the sine of 100 into. This is, what is this, buddy? Maximum current. What is this current here? Listen, you understood, right? How to find a maximum current? This is a maximum current. This is a instantaneous current. But this ammeter is, what is this one here? AC current, right? Yes or no? In AC, what we need to write? We need to find a RMS value. We need to write. What is it? We need to write here RMS value. So RMS, now the reading of this ammeter, how much it will be reading here? I is equal to I naught times of root 2. How much it will be? Tell me. I naught value is how much? Tell me. 2 into root 2 into 10 power minus 2. Right? Divided by how much here? Root 2. So total answer will be how much now? Tell me, right? How much? So 2 into 10 power minus 2 amperes. Got it? What is this I naught? I naught is a peak value. What is this value? Peak value. It's a peak value. This is a instantaneous value. But ammeter only reads, what is it here? RMS value only it will give you. Son, did you write everything? Nice. Good done. Thank you, thank you. Good done. Can I have one sip? Shall I move forward? How Chinath name card? You know, right? How Nandu name? 1 minute. You know how China's name came? No? I got it yesterday only. No, when there is name in ceremony, you know, in that he twisted. He went to one. Then that Purohit told Chi Chi. So then they thought that it was China. China. Chi Jahan. Chi Jahan. Chi Jahan is a very nice candidate. Done, buddy. Shall I go for the next question? Okay, you can copy from Nandu. No issue. Then copy from there. Do this question, buddy. A capacitor connected in a radio circuit. Where you are connected here, a radio circuit. The source of frequency is 100 hertz. Frequency is 100 hertz, 1000 hertz. If the current through the capacitor of the branch is 2 amperes, then voltage across the capacitor is. Chalo calculate. Shall I? Next. So capacitor value I'll write here 2 microfarad. Frequency value I'll write here 1000. And current value is how much here? Capacitor, if the current through the capacitor branch is 2 amperes, which will I'll take it as maximum value, RMS value. What is this one here? RMS value is how much here? 2 milliamperes. Understand? Then voltage across a capacitor means this is how like this. Capacitor. Understand? Like this. So this is a capacitor only concept. RMS current through this one is how much here? 2 amperes. So it means can I write it as peak value? Can I write first? Calculate a peak value. Which value will calculate here? Peak value, which is I naught. I am gonna calculate. Which will be how much? I RMS times root 2 R naught. Yes or no? So total answer will be how much here? 2 times of 2 into 10 power minus 3 and root 2. So total answer will be how much here? 2 root 2 milliamperes I can get it. This is a peak value. Then why I want a peak value now? If there is a use I can use it, right? Then what is that here? We have a frequency value, I got it. What is the frequency here? Frequency is equal to 1000 means 10 kilohertz I can write. Yes or no? So can I calculate omega? Omega is equal to what is it here? 2 pi into frequency, which means 2 pi into what is it here? 10 power 3, what is it? Rad per second. Next, can I calculate reactance? Can I calculate? Can I calculate reactance? Reactance means Xc is equals to 1 divided by C into omega. Omega we already have. So 1 divided by 2 times C is how much I mentioned here? 2 microfarad, 10 power minus 6, and here 2 pi into 10 power 3. So total answer will be how much, buddy? So here 10 power 3, one time I can cancel, here 10 power minus 3 will be left. 2 into 2 is how much here? 4, and this 10 power 3 will go upside, which will be how much here? 1000 can I write? So 1000 divided by 4 pi. Can I write it like that? Which is ohms. Clear? Huh? Then I am asking you voltage across a capacitor. Voltage across a capacitor means here this is a voltage, right? Voltage across a capacitor, which is V. Yes or no? That V is nothing but I can write it as a RMS value only, no? Or applied voltage. What is it here? Applied voltage or RMS. So RMS, let's calculate. RMS now, what is it? It is nothing but a ERMS, which is nothing but a, or else first let me. First what I'll do is peak value I'll calculate, and then I'll divide with the root. Is it okay? So peak value will be, what is it here? E naught is equal to I naught divided by what can I write here? Sorry, I naught into, not divided. What is it? All local brand effect only. So what is this here? Xc into I naught. Can I write like that? Xc into I naught. Yes or no? If I divide with the root 2 this side also, if I divide now, this will become a E RMS value or not? Yes or no? So Xc into I naught divided by root 8 will be I RMS. Yes or no? We have I RMS value, Xc value also. Calculate E RMS is equals to Xc value is how much, buddy? 1000 divided by 4 pi. RMS value is already 2 milliamperes, means 10 power minus 3. Yes or no? Total answer now. This 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. This will cancel. This is 2 times. So E RMS is equals to, we will get it as a 1 divided by 2 pi volt. Yes, China, you got it? Huh? So how many things we can calculate here? Peak value if they ask now, like this you have to follow. Frequency na utilize like this. Xc you find out. This is a peak value divisions. Then it will be converted into RMS value. Chalo, do it. Clear? So in AC circuit only RMS value only flows. Peak value and all we need to calculate. Okay? If you need, you can calculate. If you don't need, you can remove. Shall I? China, what happened? Why are you done? Is all okay? Shabari, shall I move forward? What, Patricia? Patricia. Namakkal. Huh? He's enjoying his life, bro. Shall I move forward? Ethan. Akshit. Tell me, buddy, what happened? Write this question. Questions. Any problem? She not told anything. Tell him. We'll kick everybody. Write down. An inductor. Right. Right, buddy. An inductor of 1 Henry is connected across a 220 volt 50 hertz supply. What is this one here? 220 volt 50 hertz supply. Okay. The peak value of current approximately. The peak value of the current approximately how much? Oh shit. Then the next going to Tripa, I came to know by the sources. Where Namakal? Namakkal. Now Madurai. Ah, 10 power minus 3 I am writing here. No, you can write. You can multiply. I am multiplying 2 into 10 power minus 3 means it is in ampere. Okay, 2 into root 2 into 10 power minus 3. Then minus 3 I am taking it as one step alone I have missed. What is it? Here I am writing this one. You can write it here like this also. 2 into root 3 into 10 power 3 minus 3 amperes, right? So this entirely I am writing as million. Nothing changes. Because I am writing 2 into minus 3, where it came from. This is RMS value, no? This will be written as 2 into 10 power minus 3 amperes. Yeah. Next question. What is this, buddy? So an inductor 1 Henry is connected across a. I don't want to see anybody speaking. Now, inductor is how much here Henry? L is equal to how much 1 Henry? Am I correct? Now here given values, whatever the given values are there, these are all RMS values. Yes or no? So an inductor means this is the inductor connected across one of the AC source like this. How much voltage you are giving here? 220 voltage, which will be RMS value only. Always remember. Yes or no? How much frequency you are giving here? 50 hertz. How much you are giving, buddy? 50 hertz. 50 hertz. Now see, RMS is equals to 220 volt. RMS means what is it? I can write a peak value divided by root 2. Can I write a which is 220 volt? Yes or no? So E naught is nothing but what is it here? E naught is nothing but 220 into root 2 volt. Clear? Next frequency. From this one I can get one more value. What is this? The XL is equal to what is it here? Reactance. Reactance means what is it here? XL is equal to L into omega, or else L into 2 pi into frequency. Can I write like that? Do it. So L you already have it. What is that? 1 Henry. Already 2 pi. Frequency also you have it, which is a 50 hertz. So totally how much here? 100 pi ohms. What is they are asking you? Peak value of current they are asking. What is it they are asking you? Peak value of current. Peak value of current na you can do peak value. RMS na RMS your wish. So peak value how will I get it here? I naught is equals to I naught is equal to what is that here? E naught divided by X L. Yes or no? This is a peak value or not? What is this? Peak value or maximum value. What is the answer? You will get it here. E naught is how much here? 220 root 2 divided by XL is how much here? 100 pi. Total answer 0 0 cancel. So take 3 this pi as a 3. Can I take it like that? Okay. So 3 how many times it will cancel here? 7 point 7 point how much right? 22. 7 and then it is 1 then 10 it will become 3 7.3 or else divided by 10. So total answer will be how much here? 0.73. Root 2 value is how much buddy? 1.4414 means 1.4 I am taking. Total answer how much I will get? How much buddy? 0.932 Is it correct? Peak value na peak value only. RMS value na RMS value only. Multiplication please. It is 1.022. No? From where you came, the idiot? Hello, buddy. Come, come. Hey, say hi to your brother. Right? Hi. How are you? Hi. Where did you check? VAT, yeah. Very good. When did it happen? Hey, you do this question. 1 second. 1.022 amperes. Got it? Do this question right now. So, all good. But you tried it repeating, right? What happened? You didn't then. You tried for VAT. What happened to VAT?
50K rankings. It becomes 20 something, 8 lakhs. VAT
You
means
can
20
buy one
lakhs.
bench car.
VAT means 20 lakh rupees. Myself, Sanjay, Prasanna. I wish.
All check. You can
That's it.
got it. Going now.
Same.
Yeah. So you would have been staying, right? All good. Well, well. You trying now?
In January itself, the rates are getting set.
Yeah, yeah, they told me already. Someone is already been. I think that some fellow told me regarding it.
Sanjay,
This I know. In front of me only they paid. Chalo, chill. All the best. I'll call you. Okay? Happily you can do it. Here only no call me. I can answer. I went to Bannari Amman recently. Recently,
I'm
Sunday.
going daily to college. They're calling me daily.
Why for coding?
Sit. Uh,
Coding only.
they're giving me
Anybody can enter your
most of the person.
Chalo, I'll come Monday. Okay, I'll meet you over there. Bye.
Listen.
Yeah, you write the question. You VIT child, right? B8, yeah. B80 he didn't get. Now, if I ask you, Ilamati Habibu, she was very, very busy nowadays. Why I don't know. Huh? Maybe, huh? Why are you so busy, Re? In talking to Dhanushri, Dhanushri is one more legend. Huh? All are there. Janani also joined their band. Very good. Happy. Here, if I ask you IRMS, how do you calculate IRMS? If I ask na, ERMS divided by XL, that's it. Find out 220 divided by XL means how much? XL means not that XL, XL means this XL. Ah, Korean XL. Arey, you are. So what is the answer? I'll get it here. 3 times. I'm taking 3. So what it will be, buddy? 7.3 something it will come. So it will be 0.73 amperes. Why reason is I'm dividing with the 10 here again. Clear? Then IRMS if you want to calculate, that is the process. Peak value na, this is a process. The last in my class, yeah, other class is no, it's the peak. No, the person who came, we used to call him Sapri. Your class, not our class. Your class. Chalo, shall we? This one you did, huh? Do this question. Guys, legends, listen here. Do this question, everyone. Should not call him like that. Acha. Give him like that. Rajnikant type he'll give. Rajnikant data है. Alive, right? They won't even say anything. Where is China? Left arm. Chalo, write down the question now fast. This sort of question, the earlier one is a model of 2 marks. This is a 3 marks question. If you are lucky, this sort of question will come. Chalo, note down first. Who is that cancer patient? Die soon means within 5 minutes he'll die. Right? Okay. Now see, listen right. Delicia, Janani, what happened? Janani's birthday. What happened? Okay, she'll ask. She's a legend, you know, right? Okay. Really? Uh, Say a 10 microfarad. What is this? A 10 microfarad capacitor in series with what is the here? Series with a 50 ohms resistance. The combination is connected a 220 volt and 50 hertz. Stop your romance. Calculate the capacitive reactance, impedance, and the current in the circuit. All these things we need to calculate. But first of all, we know yesterday LCR circuit, right? But what we learn? RLC. Yes or no? L is not there, so only it becomes here RC. So I am trying to draw that only. RC like this, not RCB, idiot. And there is a okay. Amma, they are ready there. So what is the how much supply you are giving, buddy? So your supply is that is ERMS value is how much here? 220 volt and the frequency is how much here? 50 hertz. How much? 50 hertz. Right. Now calculate the capacitive reactance they ask. First question is what is it here? Capacitive reactance, which means Ilamati will speak. Which means she thinks that I am a Ravi sir. I see everything, buddy. Okay. Right from the first bench to last bench. C into what is that here? 2 pi into frequency. Can I write like that? Now put the values for that. Capacitance is how much here? 10 into 10 power minus 6 and then 2 pi. Then you idiot, stop talking. And F is how much here? 50 hertz. Total answer will be your capacitance. Capacitive reactance. What is this one here? Capacitive reactance. What is the answer? Tell me. 1020. And 2 into 5 is also 3 zeros. So 10 power minus 3 will be there, no? So 1000 divided by pi will be your reactance. Check your answer. Same answer. What Prasadam? Do it. I'll check your notes. Now impedance. Yesterday we studied impedance, right? Which is nothing but a R square plus a XL minus a XC whole square. We studied or not this one? Who knows, sir? XL is 0 here. XL is not at all there. So this entire formula converts into what is it here? 0. XC square. Yes or no? XL is actually 0 because there is no L here. L is 0. So total answer tell me now. R is how much here? 50 square. X is how much here? 1000 divided by pi whole square. So how to solve it? We'll try like this, okay? 50 square plus can I write it this one as a 2 into 20 into 50 can I write? Yes or no? 20 into 50 can I write? Whole square and pi square I am taking it as a 9. Is it okay? Pi square approximately how much? What is the pi square is? 9. Nandu is an idiot. Made idiot, born idiot, everything idiot only. Married to Namakal Gala. Okay, I know. Abba. 1 plus yes or no? Here how much here? 20 is left, which will be how much here? 400 divided by 9. Right? So approximately Z is equals to 50 times of see buddy, root of how much I will get it here? 409 divided by 9. Am I correct? So approximately how much it will be? 50 into root 409 will be how much here? I am taking it as 20.1. Can I take it like that? Divided by 9 means 3. Now give me the answer. Approximately how much I will get it? 3 how many times it will cancel here? 7 times. So 500 into 50 into 70. 7 means how much right? 350. Approximately 350 you will get it. Divided by 3 there. That's why don't drink local brand. Finish? Finish Aisha? Aisha is go. Current we need to find, right? Appa, thank you Gada. Calculate current by your own. The homework for you is, shall I remove this one? Here I am doing here. Now give me the answer for this one, buddy. Current, which is third one. Yes or no? Current is equal to what is it here? Current is equal to RMS. What is it here? RMS. ERMS divided by impedance. ERMS is how much here? 220. Z is how much here? Almost 350. Total answer will be how much? 22 by 35. With the 7 if I cancel, this will be 3 times, this will be 5 times. 3 by 5 amperes approximately. In this chapter you need to use a approximation. 3 by 5 or else 0.6 also correct also. Approximately 0.6 amperes is also. Now you can move. Thank you. Once over now, please move. Do the questions. Do the questions. Look back questions. What did it? Yeah, this one almost will get a. What is that? I didn't get it. Inductor is a damage. Then that time L also comes. Still also. That I will discuss. One more value I will give you. Then one more question. Process is same only for that. What is it? Radio means in the chips and all will use, right? Transistor. At Ilambati Akka, nowadays much busy. Backside, how many days it will happen, I'll see.